Hi there. This video is about how to apply plumbing tape. So the sprinkler is going on this way, clockwise. It's turning clockwise. So therefore, you want to apply the Teflon tape in the direction of this way, clockwise, looking towards it, so that when you put this sprinkler in, the tape doesn't go bunching. So do it this way and then apply a couple of rounds. Just turn round like that. Hold it with your thumb and make sure it doesn't slip. Once you have the second round, the Teflon tape shouldn't slip anymore. Just apply a little bit of pressure. When you got a couple of rounds there, just pull it off. When you pull off, make sure that this is kept in sealed properly, and it doesn't have sand or dust trapped in it. And then now it's just a matter of fixing this in. Okay, so this way the tape stays in position and doesn't go bunching, and then it have a tight seal. Just a couple of twists and that should do it. So it's just as easy as that. So thanks for watching.